So just walking out here, it's a beautiful lovely day. I'm just walking along the Rye here, just West Peckham Rye, and yeah, it's just actually had a message from one of my students earlier, which really, talking on this theme of freedom and what day trading gives you, saying that his wife has been able to go part-time in a job which they've wanted to do for ages, and because the extra income is being able to earn from trading, it's early in his trading journey, like 9 months, but he's starting to earn some really good extra income, and his wife's been able to go part-time. I mean, it doesn't really get better than that. I love hearing those stories of freedom from my students. It's one of the best things about teaching, coaching, and also when my students send me messages and give me setups, which is amazing. Can't really beat that. So yeah, I'm just heading into the park, a bit of fresh air. It's a glorious, glorious day. It's why we're alive, right? It's to just enjoy these times, and trading really gives you that freedom and that reminder. Cheers guys, see you later.